Guardian Wine Cabinets by La Sommelier are the only wine refrigerators on the market that can be customized with different shelving types and placements. To help create your dream wine cabinet, we've developed this guide on how to use the Wine Cabinet Customizer tool. First, select the cabinet you'd like to customize. Cabinets are available in either single or multi-zone heights. The length and width of both cabinets are the same. The left of the screen is where you can select and place the shelving in your cabinet. The right of the screen shows information about your configuration, including cabinet price, shelving price, and the estimated number of bottles the cabinet can fit. These elements are dynamic and will change as you create your cabinet. Now let's look at the customizer itself. You'll notice a storage box at the bottom of the cabinet. This comes standard with each cabinet and cannot be moved or removed. This is indicated by the lock icon. To add a shelf, simply click within the Click to Add section. We have designed the customizer to account for spacing for different sizes of bottles. Shelving can be installed with burgundy bottle spacing or magnum bottle spacing. Select the burgundy bottle spacing for a shelf if you plan on storing it with bottles equal to or less than 3¼ inches wide and 11½ inches tall, typically burgundy, Bordeaux, or standard bottles. Select the magnum bottle spacing for a shelf if you plan on storing bottles greater than 3¼ inches wide and 11½ inches tall, typically magnum or champagne bottles. The spacing for magnums was sized using bottles that were 4 inches wide and 14 inches tall. Now choose the shelf type and type of bottle you plan on storing. Note, the type of bottle only affects the spacing above the shelf in the customizer. It does not change the shelf itself. Now the shelf is in the cabinet. More shelves can be added by clicking Click to Add. By selecting any shelf and clicking the Edit button, you can change the shelf type. The customizer will only show shelving that can fit in the space provided, so some shelving options might be hidden if there's not enough room. Click the eye icon for more information about a specific shelf. You can also delete a shelf from the customizer by clicking on the trash icon. You will notice there is one shelf in the center that does not have a trash icon. Due to how the cabinet is designed, this shelf cannot be removed and is required to be in the cabinet. However, it can be switched out for one of 3 shelving types. Just click the Edit button. Besides this fixed shelf, all other shelves can be moved. Either use the arrows or click, hold, and drag the drag and drop icon to move a shelf within the space above or below the fixed shelf. Shelving can sometimes be moved from above the fixed shelf to below the fixed shelf if there is available space. However, shelving can always move freely within the section that it is in. For quick removal of shelving, click the red X next to the shelf name or click Empty List to remove every shelf from the customizer. Be careful, as this cannot be undone. If you'd like to purchase extra shelving to interchange once your cabinet arrives, click the Add Extras button. Please note, items purchased as extras do not include installation rails and will not be installed in the wine cabinet at the factory. They can only be interchanged with existing components. To recall the layout of the wine cabinet configuration you purchased, click Get Link and copy and save it somewhere safe. This information is also available in your purchase receipt email. Once you're done configuring your wine cabinet, simply click Add to Cart. For more information on our customizable wine cabinets, contact us at info@wineguardian.com.